by practicing of this mudra, which believes that practitioner can reach to the state of liberation. Namaste everyone, welcome to Hamsa Yoga. This is me Gangotri Yogi. Welcome back to another mudra episode. In today's video, we are going to learn a mudra for liberation or liberation mudra. The name of this mudra is nirvanamudra. Nirvana is a Sanskrit word which means a liberation. This mudra need to practice during the meditation, which actually helps for you to focus more, which promotes the stillness, which helps in giving a self-realization, the calmness, no disturbance at all when you practice with your meditation practice. Ego is not a simple thing, isn't it? It is a negative energy. If you want to send out that negative energy, if you have too much of self-doubt, if you're not at confidence more, then this is the best mudra for you to perform, and one of the specially designed mudra for letting go, to forgive, to increase the forgiveness. So let's see how to practice this mudra. Cross your hand, the right hand need to come and face your palms to each other and interlock all the fingers. Now you need to raise the hands up. Now raise the hands up and stretch your thumb finger, index finger straight. Once you hold this mudra, just bring your hands close to the face and place your index finger between your eyebrows. This is how you need to hold this mudra. By practicing of this mudra, as we are pressing to the Ajna chakra point, if there is any self-doubt, if there is low in confidence, this actually helps in increasing that. This is one of the special mudra to boost yourself and make yourself completely different with positivity. How long we need to practice? So you need to sit straight comfortably. I mentioned that before. You need to practice this mudra during your meditation practice. Just try to practice this mudra 5 minutes because it's in the position like this. It might be hard for you to hold this mudra for a long time. Just try to hold this mudra as long as possible and get a proper benefits. Let's see what are the benefits by performing this amazing and simple yet powerful mudra. This mudra helps in removing out the ego. Ego is a very bad attitude, isn't it? That we should practice this mudra to get rid of this simple choice to release out this negative emotion. By practicing of this mudra, it helps in instantly. It also complete the collection of the personality, includes the likes, dislikes, habits, desire, action and the emotion. Promotes the calmness and the stillness. This mudra, one of the best mudra for letting go and for realization. This mudra helps in letting go and any kind of attachment. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, share this video with your friends and the family. I'll be back with another mudra video or some other yoga part of the video. So let's practice mudra, let's practice yoga. Take care, have a great day. Namaste, be happy always.